Why does a ball thrown upwards eventually fall back down? A ball rises high into the air, firstly slowing, then pausing, and then falling right back to earth. But why? Why doesn't it keep going up? What force stops it? Is it something pulling it down? Or is the sky not letting it go? Welcome to the beautiful invisible power that rules our world, gravity. About the invisible force of gravity. Gravity is the fundamental force that pulls everything with mass toward the center of the earth. When you throw a ball upwards, you are applying a force that temporarily overcomes gravity. But gravity never stops pulling on the ball, even while it is going up. Gravity is like an invisible elastic band stretching between Earth and the ball. The higher the ball goes, the more the band stretches, but it always pulls the ball back down. What happens when you throw the ball up? Here is what goes on step by step. You apply an upward force with your hand. This gives the ball kinetic energy that is due to the motion of a body. The ball starts to rise, moving away from Earth, slowing down little by little. Eventually, it reaches a point where its upward speed becomes zero. That is called the highest point or the peak of its journey. Then, gravity takes over completely and pulls it back down. Important concept. Even while going up, gravity is acting downward the whole time. That is why the ball slows down as it ascends. Energy transformation in action. Let us talk about energy because this is where physics gets exciting. When you throw the ball, you are giving it kinetic energy because it is moving. As it goes up, it slows down, converting kinetic energy into potential energy that is stored energy due to height or position. At the top, it has maximum potential energy and zero kinetic energy. Then it starts falling, gravity pulls it down, and potential energy transforms back into kinetic energy. It is a perfect energy loop. Governed by the law of conservation of energy, energy doesn't disappear, it just changes form. The role of Earth's gravity on Earth is approximately 9.8 meters per second squared. That means every second the ball goes up, it slows by 9.8 meter per second. And every second it falls, it speeds up by 9.8 meters per second until it hits the ground or your hand. This same gravity that has amazing effects, it holds our atmosphere. Keeps the moon in orbit, all planets revolve around each other due to gravity. Brings rain from clouds, due to gravity, water droplets fall down. And yes, pulls your ball back to Earth. Why can we not escape it easily? To escape Earth's gravity completely, an object must reach escape velocity, which is around 11.2 km/h, about 40,000 km/h. Escape velocity is that velocity due to which an object goes outward from field of gravity. Every planet has its own gravity. A ball thrown by your hand doesn't even come close, so no matter how hard you throw, it always falls back down. Everyday example that connects with viewers. Think of a swing. When you push it, it rises, slows down, stops, and swings back. That is gravity and momentum in action, the universe balancing the motion. Or think of jumping on a trampoline. You rise, pause, and come back down. You are not just bouncing, you are doing a dance with gravity. Gravity is not the enemy, it is the artist. Gravity does not just pull things down, it orchestrates the movement of planets, sculpts galaxies, and makes life possible on Earth. So next time you throw a ball in the air, remember, it is not just falling, it is returning home called by a force that quietly shapes the entire universe. Gravity holds all objects. It is considered natural force.